Hello, my dear students. Welcome to your favorite learning platform, Learn Forward. We are doing science here with the book Linked with Science by Feathercap. Let's start this chapter number 11. And the title says that we are going to learn here about the measurement. Measurement. You are going to a cloth shop. So you need a measurement. Okay. I want 2 meters of cloth. You are going to measure your height. So again, you need a measurement. I am this feet, this inch long or tall. Okay. So this is what you call as measurement. You want 2 kg of pyaz. You want 2 liters of milk. Okay. So these are the measurement. So now first thing, number the following object in the decreasing order of their capacity. Capacity means which object out of these have the highest capacity to hold the things and highest place, major place to hold the things, and which has the minimum one. So this is a tub, very big. This is a water tank that you have at your homes. This is a glass, this is a bottle, this is a water bottle. Okay. So first one, there will be this. 1 means maximum. 2, then 3, then 4, and then 5. Okay. Decreasing order. Okay. Now the action of measurement, measuring something is called as measurement. I am measuring something, so that means I am indulged into an activity of measurement. Now measurement is the basis of scientific knowledge and its expression. Okay. There are some basic scientific quantities: length, mass means weight, capacity means volume, time and temperature. So these are the things that actually we use to measure different quantities. Okay. So let's start. We also need to measure these quantities in our daily life. Now it is the age of science, therefore weight of daily consumables, length of cloth, or a place and a time are all measured in standard units. Means if I am going from Meerut to Delhi, so that means I can just measure my distance in kilometers, not in centimeters. So okay, so they have standard units. Look at the pictures given below. These show people measuring different kinds of things. So here this mother may be measuring the temperature of her child. Okay. This girl is measuring her height. This man is giving measured milk to the lady, and this vegetable vendor is measuring the vegetables. Okay. All these activities show that measurement has become an essential part of our life. You cannot just go to the vendor and ask, give me pyaz. You have to say, you please give me 1 kg of onion. You please give me 2 kg of capsicum. So this is how you tell them. So we have standard units of measurement which have fixed values. Everyone uses the same unit of measurement. So these are standardized. If you say to the vendor that I want 1 kg of potatoes, or you are just going there and asking for the potatoes, he will ask how much. Okay. So you will tell that either 1 kg or 2 kg. So that person also understands what that 1 kg means, because it is standardized. The name of some standard units are given below. Means length. Length of something can be measured in meters. Weight of something can be measured in kilograms. I am 60 kgs. I am 45 kgs. Okay. Volume of something can be measured in liters. Temperature in degree. I have 100 degrees of temperature. Okay. Today the temperature of the day is 12 degrees or 15 degrees. Okay. Time can be measured in seconds. Okay. So there are different instruments for measuring all these things. So measurement of length. How can you measure the length of anything? Long ago what happened, because people didn't have all the measuring devices, accurate measuring devices. So there they need the things. Means they have different ways to measure the things. Now long ago people used to measure lengths with their hand and feet. Means if I want to measure the length of the room, I will just go by counting my foot spans. So that means I am using an inaccurate measurement system, because I am measuring and having 6 foot spans, but at the same time if a child comes here, so he will have maybe 12. So this is an inaccurate, okay, way. So the people used to measure things by using their hand spans and their leg spans. However, the length of these body part is different from, means they vary from person to person, okay. Just now I have given you the example of me and a child. Now the hand span, the cubit and the foot span. What is the cubit? This is 1 cubit, okay, this is 1 cubit, means the length from the middle finger, tip of the middle finger till my elbow, so that is 1 cubit, are called non-standard units. So these we can just give for the approximation, but not the exact measurement. For measuring length, we need standard units for measuring length. So now the standard unit for length is the meter. Meter, this is a ruler, okay, that you most of you have already using in your school. Short lengths are measured in centimeters, longer lengths in meters, and even longer in kilometers. So rulers, meter scales, measuring tapes are commonly used for measuring length. So now here is one important thing that you need to remember is that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, okay. The tallest building in the world is in Dubai, Burj Khalifa, and it is 8 to 9.8 meters height, okay. So this is the height of this building. So already measured. So in meter they are giving the measurement. So it is measured by using a standardized measuring system. Now measurement of mass means how can you measure the weight? Have you seen a vegetable vendor weighing vegetables? This is the common balance that everybody has, uses a common balance. Most shopkeepers at sweet shop use electronic balance for weighing sweets. The commonly used units for measuring weights are grams and kilograms, okay. So generally when we are measuring something, the weight of anything, we measure it in grams and kilograms. Now light objects are measured in grams, heavy objects in kilograms, okay. If I am having something in very small quantity, I can just have it in grams, okay. But the amount of salt that I am using for my vegetable, it is not in kgs, it is only in grams, okay. So now the common balance and weights and the electronic balance are the instruments mostly used for weighing. So here again another measurement that they have given is 1 kilogram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams, means in 1 kilogram 1000 grams comes, okay. Now measurement of capacity. How can you measure the volume of anything? It is in liters only. Capacity of a container is the amount of liquid it can hold. Means a glass can hold this much water. A can hold this much, a bucket can hold this much. So this is the amount of liquid that can be held by a container. You must have seen your mother using cups to measure the amount of water to be added while cooking, okay. And again using cup for measuring the milk for making the tea. So again these are the common things that we use to measure things, okay. So the volume of the cup, the volume of the container, volume of the bottle. So the measuring glass also help us to measure liquids. So these are the measuring glasses or beakers, okay. Liter, L is the symbol, is the commonly used unit for measuring capacities. Smaller units are measured in millimeters, okay. Smaller units are measured in millimeters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. This again you have to learn. Fine. Special measuring jars are used to measure volume. Have you seen the milkmans using all these for different capacities, okay. This is again a measuring mug. This is a measuring cylinder. This is a measuring funnel, or you can say flask. So special measuring jars are used to measure volumes. These jars are marked with mLs and liters. This may be in ml. This is half of the liter. This is 1 liter. Okay. The liquid to be measured is poured into these jars and the volume is read from the mark. So can you see there are markings? There are markings. So you just put the liquid. It is also present in the caps of some medicines to measure 10 ml or 5 ml or 7.5 ml. Okay, to give to the babies. So these can be read by the mark. Now next, measurement of time. So very simple. We always have this watch with us to measure the time. Watch and clocks. Okay. So time is measured with the help of a watch or a clock. The face or a dial of a watch or a clock is divided into 12 parts. 12 parts, okay? So it has like this 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? 12 parts it is divided into. Now each part shows 1 hour. Each part is further divided into 5 parts. So between this again there are 5 divisions, okay? These are 60 parts which show minutes and seconds, okay? So this is 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minutes make this duration from 12 to 1. A watch or a clock has 3 hands. One is hour hand that covers a distance of 1 to 12 to 1 in an hour. Another is the minute hand that moves within a minute, and a second hand that keeps on counting regularly and fastly. So 1 day is equal to 24 hours, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Hours and minutes glow in as digits in an electronic watch. So this is a digital watch that can be read by the readings that appear on the face. Now measurement of temperature. How can you measure the temperature? Everybody knows we use a thermometer to measure the temperature. We know that the standard unit of temperature is degree centigrade. Okay, always we say 100 degrees centigrade or 100 degrees Celsius. Temperature is measured with the help of a thermometer. We measure the temperature in Celsius or centigrade, same thing, degrees and Fahrenheit degrees. So whenever we are saying that the normal temperature of the day is 37 degree Celsius, so that means a normal temperature. And fever is always marked as 99 degree Celsius. Sorry, not Celsius. I'm sorry for that. This is 99 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. A room thermometer measures temperature in degree Celsius. A clinical thermometer measures in Fahrenheit. So clinical is used for the measurement of body temperature. The temperature of a normal body is 37. So it is in centigrade, it is 37 degrees centigrade, or in Fahrenheit it is 98.6 Fahrenheit. When the clinical thermometer shows a higher reading, it means that the person has fever. So higher reading means person has fever. So now think and tell. Again we have reached till the exercises. Let's start. Length can be measured using a measuring tape. Mass, a beam balance. Capacity, using a measuring cylinder, and temperature by using a thermometer. Okay, so now let's start with the competency based questions. Dash is a non-standard unit for measuring length. Non-standard, handspan, cubit, footspan, all of these. I was about to just mark handspan because this was the first one, but all of these are the non-standard. Select the tool that measures in the unit of kilogram. This is. Vendors generally use it, okay? Now, objective question, choose the correct answer. The standard unit of weight is kilogram, kg, weight. Rulers, meter rods and measuring tapes are commonly used for measuring length. Fine. A thermometer is used to measure temperature. The temperature of a normal human body is what? Normal human body is same as the normal room temperature. So it is 37 degree Celsius. Now fill in the blanks. In early days, means in olden days, people used cubits. Remember cubit? This is the length that we call as cubit. And handspan for measuring lengths. Okay? Lengths. Light weights are measured in grams. Dash is used to measure mass. What is used to measure mass? Maybe balance. Balance, you can say balance, weighing balance. Okay. The distance from Goa to Meerut is measured in kilometers. Kilometer. Water and milk are measured in liters. Liters. Okay. Take and cross, true and false. Body parts gives the same measurement when measured by different people. No. Okay. Meter is the unit for measuring mass. No, meter is for length. Capacity of a container is the amount of liquid it can hold. True. Time is measured using a clock or a watch. True. The standard unit of length is kilogram. Not. No. Kilogram, no, kilogram, it is length. For length, it is meter. Cross. Now, subjective type questions. What does standard unit of measurement mean? Means there is some standardized measurement way so that it can be applied or can be accepted all over the world, and these are something that give exact measurement. Whether we are means anybody is measuring, the same measurement will come. So these are called as standardized measurement units. Now write the standard unit of the following. Length, it is meter. Temperature, degree Celsius. Weight, kilogram. Time, second. Volume, liter. Okay. Name the instrument used to measure length. Maybe inch tape, maybe measuring scales. Temperature, thermometers. Weight, balance. Time, watches and clocks. Volume, maybe different containers with the marked weights, maybe measuring cylinder. Answer the following. Name 3 body parts that were used by the people long ago to measure length. Handspan, foot span, and cubit. What is capacity? It is the measurement of a container. It is the capacity of a container to hold liquid in it. Like what amount of liquid it can hold is called as capacity. Write 2 examples of things that are measured in liters and milliliters. Liters, water and milk. Milliliters, maybe blood and ink, maybe ink. What is temperature? It is the degree of hotness or coldness of something. Write the symbol of unit in which temperature is measured. It is degree Celsius or centigrade or degree Fahrenheit. So this was about this chapter. Very easy. You just go through the chapter. This is something that you see every day. Okay. So bye bye and happy learning, kids.